Hi, welcome back to Calorie Freak. My name is Jigyasa Mehendiratta. As we all know, diet plays an important role in progress towards the realization of a spiritual path. The food which we eat influences us physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. It also influences our thought process and our nature. So, according to these characteristics, there are three different types of food preferences. First, Sattvic. Sattvic diet helps us to detoxify the body. It also promotes our health. It also gives us happiness. It also promotes our harmony and peace. Second is Rajasic. Rajasic diet is bitter and sour in taste, and it contains more oils and spices as compared to Sattvic food. Third is Tamasic. Tamasic food is negative in nature and is not good for our health and happy life. So in today's video, we will discuss in detail about all these food preferences. So now let's start with Sattvic diet. Sattvic diet is considered as yogic diet in modern times. The word Sattvic means pure essence, which means that this diet is thought to be pure and balanced in nature, and it offers the feelings of calmness, happiness and mental clarity. इस डाइट की वजह से जितने भी हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस है या जो हमारी थिंकिंग है, इट अल्टीमेटली और आई शुड से इट ऑटोमेटिकली चेंजेस फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव. Sattvic diet contains cellulose, roughage, water, vitamins and high quantity of minerals. These foods are sweet, slightly sour, soothing and alkaline in nature. Now comes advantages of Sattvic diet. Sattvic foods are soothing, refreshing and rejuvenating in nature, which helps in good health. They can be easily digested, assimilated in the body, which helps in normal excretion. Now comes the third point, which is they are cleansing in nature, which helps to detoxify the body. And lastly, it is juicy, pleasant and conducive. Sattvic foods are juicy, pleasant and conducive for longevity, strength, purity of mind and happiness. So let's talk about some of the examples of Sattvic foods. First is non-stimulating foods like ginger. It could be spices, and अब spices में बहुत सारे spices हैं, but जो richest source of Sattvic diet हैं या जो सात्विक डाइट के रिचेस्ट सोर्स माने जाते हैं, वो स्पाइसेस हैं टर्मरिक, देन लाइक आई सेड जिंजर, देन इट कुड बी मिंट, it could be all the natural grown or organically grown herbs, then it could be a little amount of salt. Excess of salt या excess of spices is not considered as sattvic food. Alright, then it could be legumes, it could be raw vegetables, fresh fruits, then it could be sprouts. अब आप ग्रीन मूंग दाल स्प्राउट्स भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो, या आप चना स्प्राउट्स भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हो. What I really mean is, जितने भी आप रॉ या फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खाओगे या जो भी ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रो होते हैं, those are the richest source of sattvic foods. Second example of sattvic food is alkaline foods. As we all know, coconut water is the richest source of alkaline foods. अब कोकोनट वाटर जो होता है वो आपकी बॉडी की pH वैल्यू को बैलेंस करने में हेल्प करता है. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं दैट देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लाइक pH स्केल पे अगर हम करें तो एक देर इज़ एसिडिक एंड वन इज़ अल्कलाइन. अगर आपकी बॉडी में ज़रा सा भी एसिड है, देन कोकोनट वाटर हेल्प्स टू बैलेंस दैट एसिड इन योर बॉडी एंड इट ब्रिंग्स योर बॉडी टू अल्कलाइन. Alright, the other examples of alkaline foods are organic milk, almond milk, and fresh fruit and vegetable juices. To know more about the difference between alkaline and acidic foods, you can click on the link above. Now comes the third example of sattvic food. It is energy providing food. अब इस कैटेगरी में वो सारे फूड्स आते हैं जो आपकी बॉडी को एनर्जी देते हैं, yet they are sattvic in nature. Now it could be honey, it could be jaggery. The other common example of these are nuts. Nuts are the richest source of omega-3 fatty acids. They are considered organically अगर वो grow होते हैं और वो सात्विक भी कंसिडर किए जा सकते हैं. अब नट्स में it could be almonds, it could be walnuts, it could be hazelnuts, it could be pistachios. All these nuts are energy providing in nature और आपकी बॉडी को वो एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करने में हेल्प करते हैं. Now let's discuss about Rajasic diet. Rajasic diet can aggravate Vata and Pitta levels in the body, as this diet is poor in minerals, vitamins and other important nutrients. They are deficient in fiber, roughage and cellulose. Rajasic foods can stimulate body and mind, but when these foods are taken in excess, can cause hyperacidity, restlessness, sleeplessness, anger and irritation to the person. They also increase the levels of toxins in the body. Due to its starchy and fried features, Rajasic food causes digestion problems which results in constipation. Now let's discuss some of the disadvantages of Rajasic diet. Firstly, it can cause acidity, hyperacidity and sometimes ulcers. Secondly, it can cause constipation and some of the other digestive problems. Thirdly, it can cause lifestyle disorders like obesity, arthritis, diabetes, etc. And fourthly, it may cause depression, anxiety and irritation due to its pungent and bitter features. So let's discuss some of the examples of Rajasic foods. First is stimulating foods. Some of the common examples of stimulating foods are fried foods. It could be alcohol और it could be sauces जो हम ketchup या mustard sauce use करते हैं, that also comes under Rajasic foods. Then too much of sugary foods like ice creams, और at times ऐसा होता है कि कई लोग चाय में बहुत ज़्यादा चीनी यूज़ करते हैं. That is also considered as a Rajasic food. Then it could be too much of acidic foods. So these are the common examples of stimulating foods. Second example of Rajasic food is acidic foods. As the name suggests, इसके अंदर जितने भी foods आपकी body में acid create करते हैं, इस category में वो foods आते हैं. Like it could be pickles, it could be papads, it could be all the aerated drinks. Sometimes alcohol भी आपकी body में जाके acid create करती है. So yeah, alcohol can also come under this acidic foods. The third example of Rajasic food is disease causing foods. All the foods which can cause disease like fermented foods, या आप बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ भी bitter आप खा लेते हो, like pickles आप खा लेते हो, तो उससे आपके throat पे infect हो जाता है. So all those foods which can cause disease in the body comes under Rajasic foods. Now let's discuss about Tamasic diet. Tamasic diet is produced by harming living beings like meat, fish, chicken, etc. and therefore should be avoided. These types of food brings dullness, inertia, confusion and disorientation to the body. These types of foods are poor in roughage, cellulose, water, vitamins and minerals. They are too starchy, too sweet, too spicy, refined, high in protein and high in fat in nature. Due to its high protein and high fat in nature, they provoke the desire of selfishness, anger, aggression, mood swings and uncontrolled behavior in the person. It can also increase the aggression of violence in the person. Now let's discuss some of the disadvantages of tamasic diet. First, it is bitter, harsh, pungent, acidic in nature, which leads to hyperacidity. Second, it cannot be easily digested, which leads to constipation. Thirdly, the presence of too much of fat in the body can cause obesity. Fourthly, due to its bitter, harsh, pungent and irritating in nature, it may lead to anxiety and depression. So let's discuss some of the examples of tamasic foods. First is stimulating foods like tea, coffee, tobacco, then all the junk foods, then alcohols. All these comes under stimulating foods. Second is acidic foods. Now all the foods which creates acid in the body comes under this acidic foods, like it could be pickles, it could be peppers, it could be all the aerated drinks, too much of spicy foods, too much of fried foods. All these are the examples which comes under acidic foods. Now comes the third and the most highlighted example of tamasic foods, which is dead foods. Now dead foods, it could be meat, it could be eggs, it could be fish and chicken. All these comes under these dead foods category. So in today's video, we learnt about the three main food preferences, namely Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic. Please try to incorporate more of Sattvic foods rather than Rajasic and Tamasic foods to stay fit and healthy. If you have any query regarding diet consultancy, please reach out to us through Facebook and Instagram, or you can drop down your comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe.